Yeah.
Take a shower after
Okay, next.
go to work.
Next question.
So it's like we ask
Each other.
each other like
5 questions.
question straight or like
Free up to you. Free up to you.
Your
Up to
best
you.
friend ever.
next question. So what is your hobby usually do after working?
My dad usually sleeps. Is your best
I think yeah he is.
Is your best friend after
What?
Yes.
Is your
yes.
Is your
yeah wait.
Because I don't have brother.
sister? Okay. Yes.
Naughty and
No I see. Is your
My brother
Is your
naughty,
sister
but she is not
Naughty.
naughty and uncontrollable?
Ah.
is your mom
She is not.
Okay, good.
Is your brother? What does your mom do after your
I think no.
usually do like
Does is your mom